In a quiet meadow, surrounded by tall trees and green grass, lived a gentle cow named Gauri. She spent her days grazing peacefully and returning to her herd before sunset. Life was simple and safe, but the forest nearby had a dark secret. Its ruler was Shira, the mighty lion. His roar shook the ground, and his claws ended many lives. Every creature feared him, and no one dared to cross his path. One afternoon, as Gauri bent her head to chew fresh grass, she felt a shadow fall across her. She looked up and froze. Shira, the lion, was standing in front of her. Her heart raced. She was sure her end had come. But instead of attacking, Shira spoke softly. "Do not be afraid, dear cow. I am not here to harm you. I am lonely. I want to be your friend." Gauri could hardly believe her ears. A lion asking for friendship? She stepped back nervously. "Why me?" she asked in a trembling voice. Shira smiled, his teeth glinting in the sunlight. "Because you are gentle and kind. I am strong, and I can protect you. Together, we can have a friendship no one will dare to challenge." The cow hesitated. Something inside warned her that this was dangerous. But his words sounded so sweet, so convincing. Slowly, she nodded. "All right, we can be friends." From that day on, Gauri and Shira were seen together. The lion walked proudly beside her, and no animal dared to come close. At first, Gauri felt safe. But soon, things began to change. Her old friends from the herd started avoiding her. They whispered, "She is with the lion now. If we go near her, we may be in danger." One by one, they drifted away. Gauri felt more and more alone. Still, Shira stayed close, talking kindly, telling stories, and making promises. Day by day, her fear lessened. She started to believe he truly cared for her. Then one evening, Shira said, "My dear friend, I want to show you something special, my kingdom inside the forest. It is beautiful, full of secrets. Come with me." Gauri hesitated. The forest was dark, and she had never gone that deep before. "Is it safe?" she asked. Shira's golden eyes gleamed. "Trust me," he whispered. And she did. Step by step, she followed him past the tall grass, past the trees, into the shadows. The further they went, the quieter it became. The birds stopped chirping. The air grew heavy. Gauri's hooves shook slightly, but she pushed her fear aside. Finally, Shira stopped near a clearing. The cow looked around nervously. "Where is the special place you wanted to show me?" she asked. Shira slowly turned his head. His gentle smile faded, replaced by a cold, cruel grin. His voice was no longer soft but thunderous. "Foolish cow," he growled. "Did you really think I wanted friendship? No, I wanted to separate you from your herd. I wanted you alone, where no one could help you. Now you are mine." Before Gauri could move, the lion leapt. A roar echoed through the forest, and silence followed. Moral of the story: not everyone who speaks sweetly is a true friend. Some hide danger behind their smiles. If we trust blindly, we may fall into traps. True friends protect and care for us. False friends use us for their own gain. Guys, remember one thing in your life. Choose friends wisely. A wrong friend can be more dangerous than an open enemy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family.